In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a shape in your design. To get started, head over to the Elements section in your editor. This is where you'll find a wide variety of design assets, including graphics, lines, icons, and of course, shapes. If you're working on a presentation, social media post, flyer, or any other visual project, the Elements panel is a great place to add simple design pieces that can help structure your layout or make certain parts stand out more clearly. Once you're inside Elements, select Shapes. This will open up the available shape options, which typically include basics like circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and other common forms. Shapes are useful because they can act as backgrounds for text, dividers between sections, decorative accents, or building blocks for more polished visual compositions. Keeping your design clean and intentional often starts with simple elements like these. Now choose one shape that fits your design. Don't overthink this part. Just pick the option that best supports the look or purpose you're going for. For example, a circle might feel softer and more playful, while a rectangle can create a more structured and professional appearance. The key here is to choose a shape that complements the rest of your content rather than competing with it. After placing the shape into your design, resize it. Click and drag the corners or edges to make it larger or smaller, depending on how much space you want it to take up. If the shape is meant to be a subtle design accent, keeping it smaller may work best. If it's being used as a background element or to highlight important content, you may want to make it larger. As you resize, pay attention to balance and spacing so the shape feels naturally integrated into the layout. Finally, change its color. This is where the shape can really start to match your overall design style. Select the shape and use the color options to apply a new color that fits your theme, brand, or message. Lighter colors can feel soft and minimal, while bold colors can draw attention and create contrast. Try to choose a color that supports readability and keeps the overall design visually consistent, and that's it. By going to Elements, selecting Shapes, choosing one, resizing it, and changing its color, you can quickly add a polished visual element to your design in just a few clicks.